Welcome to RJA, where we rate everything that embodies Jamaica. Today, we'll be looking at 3 more TV series with Jamaican accents. If you haven't already viewed my first video on the top 10 TV series with the worst Jamaican accents, you can click right here to watch. Fortunately, in this video, you'll be hearing better attempts. It never ceases to amaze me when non-Jamaicans try to speak with a Jamaican accent.
You been packing that wool too tight, man.
My rocks to here, God. Hold on.
And today, we'll be looking at some more recent TV series that made an attempt to actually hit the nail on the head. Sorry about now done in the bag of long talking, I could just get straight into the video. Hold on. You do it? Yeah man, now you may talk to, You serious? You tell me say you not like, share or subscribe yet? Come on man, just do the right thing man. A little encouragement sweeten labor. Number 3. Thomas in Manifest. Manifest is a television series that details the lives of passengers and crew of an airline who suddenly reappeared 5.5 years later after being presumed dead. In this series, a flight attendant called Bethany illegally carried her cousin's Jamaican boyfriend, Thomas, from Jamaica on the airplane to America. Now when Thomas spoke, any real Jamaican could tell him accent way off.
Something alright? Something alright there.
Call me doubting Thomas, cause when me there watch, me I say, oh, go on right there, son. To be fair, there was effort, and it's not say it's the worst, but it's certainly not the best.
When I found my way here, everybody was telling me it was 5 years later. Thought I was going crazy. Somebody call the cops.
Number 2. Horatio Cousins in The Nevers. The Nevers is a television series that follows a group of women in London who, among others, gain supernatural abilities, referred to as turns after a supernatural event. You also have where certain groups of society are against people with turns and even seek to get rid of them. In this series, there is a doctor who had the turn of healing called Horatio Cousins, who came from Jamaica to England. No, I have to give credit where credit due. The man do a decent job.
My rocks to one.
If you watch a series and you have a question if the person who do the accent is a Jamaican, then you know that them at least do some justice to the accent. Don't get me wrong, it wasn't perfect, but it was fairly okay. I mean, you could tell every now and again that it wasn't the real Jamaican authentic accent, but him get a race at the accent right.
Choice. That's just reckless. She's a killer for Christ's sake.
I'm a killer.
You're a soldier. And penance isn't one.
She will be.
That's a terrible fate to wish on a friend.
Number 1. The Barmaid in The Witcher. The Witcher is a TV series that is modeled after its book and follows Geralt of Rivia and Princess Ciri, who are linked by destiny. In Season 2, Episode 5, there is a scene where we have a Jamaican barmaid who serves a group of men. And can we get a round of applause? Because we have a Jamaican, namely Julian Robinson, doing a Jamaican accent. The irony is shocking. Even though it was a small role, it was really something to hear her accent in a popular TV series like The Witcher. Julian told the Gleaner that she was not expecting to get the role as she didn't see how the Jamaican accent would fit into the mystical world. But she got the role, and after watching her scene, she realized that it didn't feel displaced. Kudos, love and support to Julian, and I look forward to her getting more roles in more series.
When I was a lass, my playmate had a little brother that was born with no ears. Just some little lumps of flesh like cauliflower. Deaf as a post. I'd give anything to switch places with him right now.
And this concludes our list. Is any TV series with Jamaican accent missing from our list? How do you rate the accents in the TV series that were highlighted? Let us know in the comments below. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.